Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction industry. In this channel, we are discussing about the quality control procedure, construction procedures, and the strategies which is required to get success in the construction industry. Today, I will discuss in a very important topic, that is work inspection. What is work inspection? Why work inspection is important? How to perform the inspection, and what are the document is required for the work inspection at the site. So let's jump into the subject. And if you're new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get the immediate notification. So let's start work inspection at the constructions or the site. Now, why work inspection? Because we define the process. We make that if we follow this process 100% at the project, we will ensuring our quality of the product or the services. Now, during the process, we need to check. If we don't check, there may be an error, the human error, the material error, whatever it can be. So this error will be cumulative and the end product will not be as per the requirement. So that's why work inspection is very much important, and you need to do it, perform at the site very carefully in order to get the product or the service as per the requirement. The first thing is, what is work inspection? By definition, a formal communication to request an inspection of completed or in progress work. That means we are doing the work now. Someone has the inspection authority. It may be the consultant, it may be the client, or it may be the third party, or some other authority inspection. So whenever our work is completed or it is in process, as per the inspection and test plan, we need to notify to the concerned authority or that our work is completed. Now you need to check, and you come and give us the approval for the further activity. So these are the by definition is the formal communication to request on inspection of completed or in process work to the concerned authority to ensuring their inspection on the time. So this is what is work inspection. Next is why work inspection is important. Let's see. First thing is quality assurance. Our end product is that we need to deliver the product as per the quality or as per the requirement. Suppose I am gone to the market and I need a shirt, and I love red color shirt, and I approach to the shop and I order a red color shirt, but the shopkeeper has given me a white color shirt. Is it make sense that I will accept that one? No, because it is not meeting my quality or my requirement. But maybe the white color shirt is good. It may be good for the other people, but not for me, because for me the red color shirt is required. So these things, whatever the quality is to be required to perform at the site, that quality assurance or the quality control is ensuring by the work inspection that works meet the required standard or the procedure. So these things is the quality assurance to be ensured by the work inspection. Then regulatory compliances aligns with the industry regulation and the codes. So in every country or every places or every projects has their own specification, codes and the standard or the authority requirement to ensuring that all the standards are maintaining at the site. This inspection is very much essential. By doing the inspection authority will ensuring that all the regulation and the standard are meeting at the site. Then prevent issues. Why? Because the working is by machine or the people, the process, there is a problem. So there may be a chances that the product is not meeting the criteria or the standard. So identify and rectify issues before the escalate. So maybe a small issues, if we not attend that issue, it may be cumulative and the end product will not be there as per the requirement. So identify what can be the defect or what can be the problem at the process, that has to identify and rectify so that we get the end product as per the requirement. So these are the importance for the inspection. Now, how to do the inspection or the inspection procedure? So first thing is document preparation. Now, it is very much important that whenever you are raising an inspection to the concerned authorities, you need to attach some drawings or the documents that the drawing, or according to this drawing or according to the document, we have done the work, and you need to check whether this work has been carried out as per the drawings specification or the standard. So whatever the document you need for the drawings, that means in the drawing it is mentioned, then what you have to do. Then material approval, what the material you are using, so whether this material approval is there or not. So the whatever the material you are using for the work or the activities, that material approval has to be attached with the work inspection. Then spec reference, whatever the spec reference, because the specification may be this 4 volume, 2 volume, 3 volume, and this much of bunch. So the concerned authorities cannot check what is the relevant page. So you need to inform that these are the spec reference and that page to be attached with the work inspection. Then BAQ reference, also how it will be paid. Is there anything different with the spec or BAQ? That also you need to check during the inspection. Then previous activity approved IR or the inspection request. That means suppose I want to do the plastering work. Now we want to do the plastering one. What we need to do, that before plastering we need to complete all the electrical conduiting work, or if it is in a wet area, then this MEP work. So we need to attach the approved IR for the electrical conduiting or the MEP works in order to get the approval for the plastering work. So previous activity approved IR also need to be attached with the document. So these are the document. Then communicate to inspection authority. Who is the inspection authority? That you need to communicate. Then provide details, all the details, that the area where they are to check, what time they want to check, and what type of inspection is there. That there are 3 types of inspection. All we know that surveillance experience, witness inspection, and the hold point inspection. So what type of the inspection they want to inspect, date, time, what type of activity, that all details you need to provide on the work inspection. Then submit the request to the authorities, that time or this time we need to check this work with this type of inspection, so we need to submit. Then attach supporting documents, whatever the document we have mentioned, that all the documents need to be attached with the work inspection. Then wait for confirmation. After submitting, they will confirm, yes, they will come at the time what you mentioned in the work inspection, or maybe some other time as per their or mutually agreed time. They will confirm that they will inspect the work this time. Then prepare for inspection. Now you have done the inspection request to the concerned authorities. Now they will come to the check. Now what is our motto? We need to get the approval for the work inspection. So you need to prepare for the inspection. The area need to be clean, that all people will be with the PPE, and whatever the instrument or the equipment is required to check that one, that is measuring tapes, plumb bob, anything, whatever is required, you need to keep in a place at the site where the inspection is there. So prepare for the inspection, whatever the instrument are required or what people is required, and what is the safety procedure to be followed, that area to be clean. So these things you need to take care before the inspection. And whenever they will come for the inspection, we need to attend the inspection along with them, so that whenever any discrepancies is there, if we can mitigate in the same time, or if there is not mitigate, we can agree that we will do that one, so that we can get the approval for that. Then receive the inspection request. So after inspection, they will make their comment or the observation, and they will give it to you. So whenever you get the inspection request along with their observation, now it's your time to check that one and follow it. Then what is the problem, and know how we can rectify that one. And again, after rectification of the work, you need to submit again along with the same procedure to get the work inspection approval again. So these are the work inspection procedure we need to follow at the site. Now, what is the inspection flow chart? How you will flow the inspection at the site? The first things, work will completed by the execution team. It is true that work will completed by the execution. Who will do the work? First, the execution team along with the process, material, manpower, so that they will complete the work. Now, once it is completed by the execution team or the construction team, they will raise an internal inspection request to the internal quality team. So that means it will be internal checking by the internal quality team. Now, internal quality team also will check as per the project requirement, spec requirement, industry requirement, whatever. So they will check and they will follow up that one, that these things is matching with the criteria or the not. If all the work is carried out as per the requirement, then that will be approved by the inspection by the internal quality team. Then when it is verified, then the internal quality team will raise the inspection to the consultant, and then consultant or the client will come and they will inspect along with site team and the construction team. So these are the inspection flow chart. First, work will complete by the execution team. It will offer for the internal quality team. Then internal quality team will inspect, and if it is okay and it is verified, then it will be issued submit to the concerned authorities, and the concerned authorities will come, and then concerned authority will check, and if there is any observation they will made, and again after rectification inspection is required, and then the work is completed, so that the next activity we can start. So these are the procedure of work inspection, and how to do the inspection, what are the document is required for the inspection. I think I have completed all and I cover everything. And if you find it useful and if you like it, then please share and like my video, and also subscribe my channel, so that I will also come out with a more content. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments so that everyone can grow together in the construction industry. Thank you very much for the watching me. And once again, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new video, you will get immediate notification. Thank you.